Welcome back, guys. And if you are opening WhatsApp and you are finding this problem that it is prompting this account cannot be used WhatsApp due to spam, means what happened? You will not able to use WhatsApp. Either you have done something or something malfunction has been done by your number. Something has been done. So the alarm, the what that alarm will come, this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam. So in this, if that WhatsApp is banned by mistake, then what you need to do first, try to uninstall the WhatsApp. Please note down that while uninstalling, the messages will go. So try to save the message and then uninstall. After that, reinstall the WhatsApp. May there a possibility that you should not get the problem, but if you are getting the problem once again, then just go to the Google Chrome and then here go and search contact WhatsApp. Go to the contact WhatsApp, then contact us, and here just write your number, email address, and here, hi team, I am facing the banned WhatsApp problem in my mobile. I have not done any activities which is illegal, which is banned. So may please see, and WhatsApp team will be back to you soon with the solution within some days. So this is all what you need to do at that time. If you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.